Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I'm not in my car, and there's a story behind that. Last Friday, March 23rd, which, by the way, depending on when I get to edit this and when I upload it and everything, you'll get to see how far behind I am with my videos. I got into an accident in the Corolla, as you can tell by the title. That doesn't sound good. Anyways, so yeah, I was picking up my brother from school, about to take him to work, and it was his first day at his new job. I pulled out from the school after I pick him up. I'm going literally about how fast I'm going right now, 40 miles an hour. I'm basically just coming up to speed, and this lady in front of me, she's driving one of the newer Altimas. I think if it's not the most recent generation, it's the generation before. But she's driving one of those, and I don't know if she wasn't paying attention or what, but out of nowhere she just slams the brakes and comes to a complete stop. Which, me being about 2 car lengths behind her, I slammed my brakes. I dropped the clutch, slammed the brakes, and, you know, old car problems, no ABS, my wheels lock up, and the car just completely slides into hers. Now, this car's so quiet. So when I slammed the brakes and I noticed that my wheels locked up, I was gonna swerve over into the left lane. I was in the right lane. I was gonna swerve over into the left lane, but there was cars in front of me. You know, the school had just gotten out, so there was traffic. There was like a lot of traffic. There was cars next to me, so I had no other option than to swerve over towards the curb. Now, I didn't want to curb my wheels, which in this case, you know, broken wheel and possibly some messed up suspension or a messed up body. I chose the second option, a messed up body. I turned as far right as I could without hitting the curb, but she had stopped so abruptly that even at the good following distance that I was at, it's just the car slid, and it basically damaged the driver's side fender, the hood, the bumper, my retrofitted lights. They're done for. Or, well, on the driver's side at least, it's done for. So this video is basically going to be 3 parts of just, you know, the repair process of the car. I'm doing all the repairs myself along with Cito. He's going to be helping me out. We've got all the tools. I already ordered everything. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't want to make this first clip too long because my phone's at like 10%. So unfortunately that happened, but you know, you guys just stay tuned for the next couple videos. You guys will see the change that's coming. Unfortunately, no more retrofitted lights for now, but the change that's coming it's gonna be nice. So anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoy the video, and if I missed out on any information or you guys want to know more details on what exactly happened, just, you know, DM me or send me a message on Facebook or whatever, and or Snapchat. You know, I'll answer, and I'll answer any questions you guys have. But I'm just gonna add one more thing. The lady stopped because there was a car in front of her that was slowing down to turn. Now, the car in front of her came to almost a complete stop before turning, which please do not do that, because that will cause accidents left and right. You can slow down to 15 miles an hour. It's a reasonable speed to turn into something, into like a side road or an entrance or something. Now, if it's like an elevated entrance or something, or like a really tight entrance, 10 miles an hour, 7 miles an hour, but don't come to a complete stop to turn. so the car in front of her was turning, and I guess she wasn't paying attention. Has to be, because you know, you would notice brake lights when a car's slowing down. You would slow down. That would have let me know to slow down too. But I saw no brake lights. You know, I was catching up to speed. I still maintain a good following distance at all times. But you know, she wasn't paying attention clearly. She slammed on the brakes last minute, came to a complete stop as well. When I slammed my brakes, I slid. Luckily, it slowed down the car enough to where it didn't deploy the airbags or anything, but still, you know, she came to a complete stop because she wasn't paying attention. She didn't see the car in front of her slowing down, and that's what caused the accident. But it is what it is. Things happen for a reason. Anyways, I'm going to cut this off here, and I'm going to continue with the video where we will be taking off all the damaged parts, everything that's being replaced, and doing some little work here and there. And also, I'm going to insert a picture of the car damaged right after this clip. Alright guys, so here we are. I've got the hood propped open. I'm going to take this off, take all this off, this guy, that guy, all the fender liner and everything. See, this is the part I was telling you guys about, where this got pushed in a little bit, and this popped up a little bit, but that shouldn't be a big deal, hopefully. So just gonna go ahead and start taking stuff apart.
Address UPS box at your door. What is that? My hood.
Alright, well, this is the progress that we have here. Took off the hood, getting these bolts off for this fender. I don't think we have to jack the car up to get the bolts down here, right? Took out the battery so I could disconnect the relays and stuff for the projector.
I'm mainly here for knowledge today.
It's not fun at all, but we'll get it done. Alright guys, oh, it's bare in the front completely. We're removing the wiring harness for the projectors now. There's some broken pieces from the light. This all the way down here.
By the time this video comes out, there's gonna be like 4 what did people do now.
Honestly.
I think I've had like 3 cars since the last what did people do now video.
Rest in peace, housing. So this here is what we're looking at. The damage. This is really thin metal though, so we should be able to pull it back with a slide hammer. I'm gonna leave that up to this guy.
I'm not held accountable for anything that happens.
But we gotta straighten this out. I don't know what happened there. We gotta straighten this out. Gonna straighten this to have it looking somewhat like that. So I really don't know. I don't know. I'll keep you guys updated whatever we do. But this is the fun of accident repair. Alright boys, so here's the progress. Thanks to this thing right here. The trusty slide hammer. And a regular hammer. This man. And my presents, because I can't stand looking at it like this, man. I really can't. But we're getting it straightened out, thank God. think that's FedEx. Right there with my car parts. So, let's see. Boys, we got some car parts. These are probably lights. This nigga, bro. We've got one of the fenders. We've got the hood. The other fender should be here tomorrow. And we've got some other stuff that'll probably be here throughout the weekend and next week. So I'm gonna go grab a knife real quick. Actually, who needs a knife? Let's just use a flathead. And he comes out with a razor blade.
It's to cut myself in my car whenever someone calls me a racer. Damn it, now we gotta censor the video.
It's okay, I don't have enough.
There goes our sponsors.
Yeah. See what's in here.
Bondo, please sponsor me.
These are probably the fog lights. Yeah, these are fog lights.
Auto lamp.
Alright. Oh. I'll be back in a bit. Alright, so here we are. It's pretty much as good as it's gonna get. Let me grab a light.
Still have to finish aligning everything once we get the fenders on.
Yeah.
It's not gonna look pretty underneath, but it'll be aligned.
There's that.
It'll be covered.
And then, yeah, remember most of this is all gonna be covered by the fender. The only thing you're really gonna be able to see is this right here. All of this is gonna be covered by the fender and the bumper and everything, the headlight and whatnot.
And the inside's covered by the battery.
Yeah. So I mean, I'd say that's pretty dang close. It's not the prettiest thing in the world, but what can you do when these cars are made of like super thin metal?
You hired Best Friend. You didn't hire a body shop, okay?
I mean, it's an older car. I mean, there's no point of going to a body shop. Yeah, it sucks, but no one's really going to see that. I rarely even ever open my hood. I never open my hood when I go to car shows and stuff.
I open mine all the time.
Yeah, that's because you're in that thing over there.
Camp 11 boys.
So.
At Gen Corolla on Instagram. Shameless self-promotion.
So let's go ahead and put this fuse box back on, just to have it in place. And I don't know, what else can we do?
Wait for parts.
I think this is going to be it for this first clip here, guys, for the first part. Second part, we'll be test fitting all the new stuff, aligning everything.
My old bumper. Fenders, hood.
Taking the stuff to Troy. For paint.
Once we get everything aligned and the fenders rolled.
Yeah. We got to re-roll the fenders because of the wheels. But we'll do that. We'll roll the fenders, align everything, make sure everything fits. Take off the body panels. Take them to my boy Troy. Everything should fit in the Scion, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And
And then the third part, we'll be putting everything on for the final product.
And then I'm going to full detail it for you.
Yeah. Full detail. Probably get a couple clips of that.
Jaircito's your local detailer.
And then when we're test fitting everything, we can go ahead and wire the fog lights too, to the inside.
Well, let's do all the wiring last, once we know everything's in the right spot. Then I'll do the wiring, then we'll put everything on.
We're gonna figure out where we're gonna run the wires through now.
Right up through your main harness.
No, but I'm saying up here in the front.
Yeah. And the bumper, remember, the bumper hides everything, bro. That foam piece.
I know, but we're gonna run the wires all the way out here.
If you want.
Oh, for the fog lights. Because the fog lights are gonna be on the bumper.
It's gonna be right here. Just run it up.
Yeah, and then run it through the bumper.
Through here or straight through the. this side.
Yeah.
Where your
Well,
factory
we'll
airbox is
figure
still there.
we'll figure all that out.
Now's the
I don't
perfect time to take the factory airbox off.
I don't think I need your metal braces, dude. Because they're on there already. Those would just clip onto the bumper.
Be a bolt on.
Yeah. So, anyways, guys, that's it for this one. Next clip, like I said, test fitting everything, running the fog light wires inside. And then third clip will be the final product and details. So, thanks for watching, guys. See you next video.